Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by verifying game version and ensuring you meet the basic prerequisites. This prevents false disallowed flags. Once verified, quit Crossfire and remove active overlays like Discord, OBS, or MSI Afterburner because they can be detected as disallowed. Make sure to back up your config and recent logs to a separate folder so you can restore settings if needed. Doing this first saves time later and gives you evidence to show support if the problem persists. Once done with basics, perform a deep cleanup. Uninstall any tool that hooks into games and scan for injected DLLs using a process inspector, because hidden modules often trigger the disallowed program flag. Next, run a full anti-malware scan and trim startup programs to prevent reloading problematic software. Make sure to fully uninstall Crossfire, then reinstall from the official installer to replace corrupted files and reset signed binaries. This ensures the client matches expected integrity checks by anti-cheat. To finish, validate game files through the launcher and run Crossfire as administrator to ensure proper permissions. This often clears remaining flags. After launching successfully, test without overlays and monitor for reoccurrence. If problems continue, collect the backed up logs, describe your cleanup steps, and submit everything to support for review. One key troubleshooting tip: if support still blocks you, create a clean OS user profile or perform a clean OS reinstall to eliminate lingering system-level hooks.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.